Another severe thunderstorm warning.
You're lit.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, southern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Middleburg to near Cole, moving north-northeast at 25 miles an hour.
Middleburg is where the storm was located.
Wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, western Norman,